Hi everyone, welcome back to this new lesson. In this video, I will teach you how to create product with Redux toolkit. Without wasting time, let's begin. Now in our code editor, since you know we are more focused on Redux toolkit, I have created behind the scene, a new page. Okay, I created a new folder, admin, and create products here. So as you can see, it has name, description, price, and here category. So I can call the API for now, or I can say that I can create a reducer, a category reducer to deal with that. Okay, so we'll also upload image, and I've also created a new route. So this is the new route. Okay, /admin /product /create, and that accept this new component. Okay, this new page. You okay? So as long as we progress, as this is an admin page, once we enable when a user is sign in, we will implement, I mean, authorization. Okay, so that's it for now. So let's go back to continue with our product producer. Now let's create new product producer because we are going to create new product from Redux toolkit. Okay, so let's name it new product. Okay, so new product producers. So here we'll have only one product, and this will be an empty object. Okay, here also one product, empty object. Okay, and here um, one product, one product. So instead of count, I will create a state with, to verify um, if uh, it was created successfully, success, because this will come from our backend API. Okay, so what else? I will create these constants. Okay, and okay, so for now, let's create constants. After that, let's go to um, constants folder, and I will duplicate these three lines and make some space. So first of all, I will create um, new product request. Okay, so about the name, you can give whatever name you want, but give name that makes sense. I mean, that tells by itself what's going on. Okay, so let's say no product. No product request, and here um, let me save some time. No products success. And here so no product fail. And if you want, you can have another case for no product reset. Okay, so if you want to reset the state. So for now, that's it. So let's import, these variables in our um, product reducer. So here, um, no, product. Okay, so see product request, so it will be auto imported. So base on product success value be auto import. Now, okay, product success, as you can see auto imported, and product fail. So when you see that appear, you tap on the keyboard tab, and it will be auto imported. And lastly, so I will duplicate this case. Okay, let me remove space. So here I will have product reset. Okay, so here auto imported, so loading files. Oh, don't need loading here. I will reset everything. Product empty object. Okay, so we reset everything that was on our state. From this step, so let's import, this product reducer in the store. Okay, so here, and I'm gonna duplicate, add comma, and this I will name it my product. Okay, and here this, let's import one product reducer, and this will receive here product reducer. Okay, and save. Let's move into actions folder. Okay, so I will duplicate this one just to save some time, and I will name it get product. So, okay, and in between it will receive the product object. Okay, so you will see that in action in a while. Okay, after that I will have, I'm sorry, a post request. Okay, and I don't need this, so I need API because I will don't need, I can say that the backtick. Okay. So let's copy the endpoint. Let's go to the back end. Let's go to routes and products route. So create product will accept this route. Okay, but you have to notice that I have previously implemented in the Mern stack service from scratch the backend, which I already told you. So here, what I'm gonna do to create a new product, I will have to duplicate this route and comment the first one because we don't implement yet authentication, protected route. So if you want to create a new product, the user will be not able to create a new product. So for this, I will comment. Okay. So for now, just to show you how to create product with Redux toolkit. And after that, after we implement protected route, I will go back with this route. Okay. Let's see. And let's go back. So the route will be this one, and it will have another parameter. It will receive the product object. Okay. So let's save that post, only post. Okay, and we have to bring we have to bring I mean the constants. So let's go to producer. Okay, so producer. So I will copy uh, first three. Let's go back to product action. Okay, and let's paste. Okay, comma. So it should be here. Product request, product success. Here no product failed. Okay, so it should be okay. So after configuring in the no product, okay, so you can see in the redux table here in the browser that this is our state for now. It's empty for now. And you see we have the field name, description, price, and this will be category. I will bring the categories from our backend API, and this is the image. Now back to our code editor. So as you can see on the screen, behind the scene, I have added the state and bring the state from React. Okay, so I have the fields name, description, price, category. Okay, so this structure from product. Okay, and after that I have image because in this snippet. Okay, so in this snippet, what we have done. So if this is the field image, the image field. So what we're gonna have, we're gonna um, um, add our image. So this is to transform image in base 64, which is I already done plenty of this. And if not, so we will set our product to this. Okay, so remember we pass on change event in all the fields. Okay, and the name of the fields should match what you should match your backend API name description, price, a category. Okay, and here image. Okay, and here I have for category, I will bring category from our backend API right now, which is I'm gonna uncomment this. As you can see, this will be um, an array, okay, because we are going to um, um, have a get request. Okay, so this is to check if we have all the fields. So after that, let's bring the categories. Okay, from our backend API. So we have a method show categories, and we are using Axio, and we bring Axio from Axios, and also we are using React, and we bring it from React. Okay, and now we extract data. This is our API endpoint for all the categories. Then we can oops, I will bring error here. Error response data error. So save. So after that, we're gonna make a loop. So let's make a loop to output data here in categories. So here a little change that we have made. So data that categories, okay, here, and we made the loop here to bring all the categories. So this is if this is true, map. We have cat. So unique key and the value because it will receive the value. Okay, and this is the name. And if you wanna take a look, real quick. So this is our browser. So as you can see, um, and this is all the categories. So now we're gonna submit to the backend, okay, to finish with this lesson. Okay, now let's submit product, and once submit product. So this will be our function. Okay, so passing event. So let's add uh, prevent default. Okay, after that, um, we have to bring dispatch. Okay, let's create a new variable, const dispatch. Okay, and we are going to use the hook use dispatch. Okay, tab, it should be auto imported. Like so. After that, dispatch, we will use dispatch here, dispatch to dispatch the action, but we will need the action name is create products. Okay, so create product. Okay, the second one. Okay, okay, auto imported. Okay, so here, and we're gonna bring I mean we're gonna bring the product object. I've showed you from the beginning here. This is the product object. Okay, so back in here, I'm gonna pass um, the product object, name, description, price, category, and image. Okay, and what else we should do? So we should use this submit handler here. In the form. Let's see. Okay, on submit. Okay, this on submit. Okay, and let's save and give a try. Just before testing, I made a typo here in prevent default, and we fixed that. Let's go back. Okay, now finally let's test. Gonna have charger. Okay, description, and price. Let's say 45. Okay, category. Let's say accessories, and let's choose our image. Um, charger. Okay. And now observe our redux table and with product. Okay, now as you can see, you have the product request. You see that, and you have product success. So according to our configuration in the redux, so you see the products, we bring loading, we bring product, and we bring um, if it was success or not. So in this case, the success was true. Okay, so that said, guys. Okay, so if you have question, please use the comment section. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Okay, and share it to your friend. By doing that, you encourage us to make more video like this, and more people can watch our video. So for now, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.